Guillaume, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I know Mavenir just recently announced the RCS Cloud Interconnect suite. Tell us a little bit about that,
Sure.
that product. What does it involve?
Yeah, absolutely. Well, as you probably know, Mavenir is the market leader in messaging.
Yes.
That's a result of the fusion of Converse, Ascision, Mitel, Mobile, which now represent 350 customers. Which, when you look at that, it's probably 3 billion end users. So on the messaging side, we know pretty well what we're doing there.
Right.
And so we talked with our customers on RCS, Rich Communication Suite, and it came to us as there was a need for the market that was not addressed to make it easier for operators to launch RCS platform.
Well, there's a lot of money in that for operators right now, so that must make it critical for them, I guess.
Well, there is.
Yeah.
I mean, there is opportunity, with the GSMA initiative around messaging at the platform to relaunch RCS around monetization opportunities. So what we did with the announcement is we simplify and accelerate the launch of RCS. But I think the big differentiator in our approach is to make sure we let the operator remain in control of how they do RCS.
Okay.
So we have an hybrid solution from they keep control of everything in their network up to they can outsource or host everything with us.
So it's more of like a porous border between what they control and what they can choose to outsource to you, or would they also potentially use a systems integrator for other?
They could.
Yeah.
But I think the key element for them is to remain in control of some critical information like the customer data.
Absolutely. Yeah,
So
you want that on your side of the border these days. Yeah.
Exactly.
Absolutely.
So we offer them the flexibility to host in our system, some functions that are less critical, and then they remain in control of their customer data, which is really the unique approach today on the market.
Yeah, and why? And I think I know the answer to this, but why do they need to control the customer data themselves? Is it just purely for security reasons?
Security, privacy.
Yeah.
Also, loyalty with their customers. As operator, they have a given trust. Their subscriber give them immediately trust in what they do. So I think that's a critical aspect for them to remain in control of that.
Yeah. We're talking about services and being able to enable new services. Can you give me a couple of examples?
Yeah, so we have in RCS, in the Rich Communication Suite, you have all the traditional messaging feature, presence, sharing files, sharing high resolution pictures. These are the traditional RCS services.
Yeah.
But what we add on top of that is something that we launched recently, with T-Mobile in the US, which is called Digits.
Yeah.
It's a multi-ID, multi-device function that rely on RCS. So that allow the operator, to create a new paradigm shift in the way they consume phone numbers.
Right.
So people can have multiple phone numbers on different phones and all operated from the network.
Wow.
So you can have your private line, your business line, etc.
And you get an ID to
multiple
tell you which
ID.
one you're using or which number has been called.
Absolutely.
Wow.
Same for the voicemail and same for the messaging. So operators are looking at that, and RCS is the enabler.
Well, that's a huge deal, isn't it?
For that.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
I mean, because this eliminates this sort of multiple device configuration, which so many people still
kind of
seem to suffer through.
SIM.
Yeah,
exactly.
Fantastic.
So you can go up to 10 digits and more on your phone.
Yeah.
And enable that on any platform, including your PC, your web browser.
Is this actually a capability which has come about as a result of the merger of these different technologies and different companies?
The merger of the technologies, the companies, and also the innovation.
Yeah.
I think there was a lot of thing around, IMS and voice, where people didn't think there was any more innovation possible in that space.
Right.
But when you rethink about the user experience, and people have to carry multiple phones, and you think about
simple,
that,
so elegant.
you make it from the network.
Yeah.
And it's that's what we did. We launched that service.
Yeah. And that's available now?
Yes.
Yeah.
You can trial it right now with T-Mobile US.
Okay, fantastic. I mean, I know a lot of service providers, obviously, and I think a lot of them will be really interested in this. How can they learn more about this?
Well, they can come to our website, obviously. We can also, have demonstration. We have live demonstration we've done at Mobile World Congress, and we continue to do nowadays. We bring actually the phone and demonstrate that with them.
Brilliant. Thank you for sharing this with us today, Guillaume. It's really nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.